They say a child's future often reveals itself early, and today we bring you a story that perfectly reflects this belief. Here is a report.
Meet Dev Raj Datta and Ratna Deep Datta, twin brothers from Shillong, whose extraordinary talent have already begun to shine at the age of 12. Dev Raj and Ratna Deep are not just twins, but also students of Class 8 at Kendriya Vidyala. These two young talents are all set to publish their very first book, a remarkable feat for their age.
I wrote the book because children like me and younger than me can read this book and enjoy. This is not so serious but full of adventure and little bit of silliness. When I was eating a potato and I love eating potatoes, I realized that I can write a story about it.
When I was writing the book, I faced so many difficulties. My teacher helped me to write the book, like I was writing a wrong plot. But when my teacher corrected it and said that don't think like a camera, and I think like a camera, and my story was right.
Their teacher, Smiti Talukdar, who runs the Sprout Coaching Center, has played a pivotal role in nurturing their talent. Her organization is dedicated to unlocking the hidden creativity of children through training in various art forms.
So we realized that they were more inclined towards writing stories than poetries, and that's when we thought that we should push them in this department, and we guided them throughout. And the result is right in front of you. They have not just completed 2 books, but they are on their way to write part 2 of the same book. And we are really impressed and proud of our students and their achievements.
Through hard work, guidance, and creativity, these young authors are ready to share their story with the world. As they prepare for the release of their book, Dev and Ratna are proving that age is no barrier to greatness. Bureau Report, DD News, Shillong.
The 125th Seng